How's everybody doing this fine weekend? Mediocre Trader here. Here we're going to look at AMC stock. We're going to check out the chart for AMC stock. We're going to talk about support and resistance levels and look at levels that go back as far as January. We're going to just, we're going to have a little conversation about box office, about the chart, and with that, let's get right into this video. So here we go. We're looking at this 4-hour chart right here on AMC. And, I know there's quite a few lines I got here because I've been tracking this for a very long time. I'm very interested in this stock. So this gold level right here, this gold line on my chart, uh, I this is a level that, you know, I've been watching for a while, and in the past 5 months or so, we haven't been able to get back down there, which is a good thing for all of us AMC investors, right? And but if you come back and you'll look, like we touched it, over here, um, and we touched here, we touched over here, you know, back over here before the whole roaring kitty come back with the massive spike. We came back, retested it, and we tested it one other time at the this level is the $4.12 level area, and I just don't see it. The reason I don't see it is if you look here, we just bounced on this 450, 440 area, just broke through, came back, and we're already back at the 450 level. So what's that telling me? That's telling me, we're getting a little bit bullish. A little more buyers are starting to step back in here. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Let's take a look at this. So as you can see on my 5-minute chart here, we got as low as 436 recently, right? And we just took off after that. We got rejected up here around 463, kind of pulled back Friday down to 450 level, but I don't think we come back down. I think we bounce here, we bounce here, and we start heading back up. I mean, we could be around 470 area, 475 area by midweek next week. Um, is that guarantee? Absolutely not. But this is a sign to me that buyers are starting to come back in. And, we got a strong box office. We're ending the week. This is the last week of Q3. We're ending the week here. I think the numbers are going to be good. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about we could see some price appreciation. And if that happens, we could get back to $5 range if, I like to say $5, 5.50, $4, 4.50 area rather than 4.70, right? Because that's where options are traded. You're not going to get a mid-price option, so it's going to be in between there. So I believe market makers tend to keep the stock between those areas, right? So that's why I think $5 area could be 5.10, could be 4.90, something like that. We're gonna head back to those areas and trade in this range, I believe, until earnings call, and that's pretty much what I think. Um, that's what I got for this video, and just to let you know, Tony Denaro and I are gonna go live tonight, and we're gonna have conversations. I'm not really certain on what the show's about tonight, but come join us live. Uh, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Again, have a great weekend. Mediocre out. Good night.